If me coulda take back the touch, woulda take it back. But a man don't love it already.
Matey! I call her the name again. Enough have manners, enough have manners. Now, me not really believe in the wife and matey situation. You see it, I believe say my man for love me and I me want him for love. I don't believe say no second woman for coming in the situation. That don't make no sense, right? But the harsh reality is that them exist. Them for have manners. You have some matey. If you watch my 5 kind of matey video, what I call loud mouth matey or loud matey. Them up in the wife life and them not hide it, them not business, them up in your face just like that. Yeah, 24/7. And the thing is that them kind of matey are usually some Godzilla looking kind of matey. Them don't look good, but for some reason them have the ghetto slam or them a do things where the wife nah do. So the man go to them. Them don't have no manners, no behavior, and them make it known. Them call up the wife, text up the wife, and all up in the people them relationship cause problems between the man and the woman. When you take on a tough cracker's face and dip it in a hot tea and leave the people them relationship alone. It bad enough say 1, you're matey. And 2, your face look like island water mixed together. Then you go put your Riverton City face in the people them life 24/7. Have manners. Shame on the wife them too. We have this me a wife and you a mate situation. Go sit down. It don't work so. That means you're insecure. And you don't want to left the man. I mean, don't want to left the man there if him have the stomach for stomach, Ninja Man sister. If my mate look like Ninja Man sister, me da left the man there. Because him don't have no taste. And what that say about me, no. Anyways, back to the mate them. If you're gonna be a homewrecker, darlings, it's best to not be seen. Be incognito. May I beg you. At the end of the day is the truth. The truth is that the man not really want you. Him just want your tun or your mouth just for the little while. The wife stay forever or for the longest or the most part. You just stay there for the little while. The little fix up. Him not give you the affection and the love when you give the wife, you know. You just stay there for the little while, eh. So have manners and stick yourself. Do your thing and that quiet if you gotta do your thing. Some mates here say, well, I don't want a serious relationship and that's why I don't want to settle down with one man. That's why I go around and I do this. I want to settle down in the emancipation park hole and stop worrying out yourself. Is she an old lady walk, jog and eat ice cream in there? I was so. If me this taste, me would want to fuck myself. Me that hide myself, you know, me that shame. Someone the shame she chop down and leave them dry up a long time and rake up and back and put in a garbage bin. Have manners. When you say something like, me have the good body and that's why your man come to me. Listen, me have the good body and that's why your man come to me. Oh, that sound. That would me not shame for that come out of my mouth, you know. Me have the good body and that's why your man, not my man, your man come to me. Have manners. You ever notice them kind of girl here? Them kind of girl here with the good body. Them face one rub out with magic marker. And them ear don't exist. Matey shouldn't even exist in the first place. But alright, since you exist and since some other situation them can't control it because it's not everybody can get man like that. You understand? So I know your fault say you're in the matey situation. It's not your fault. Say that, right? Hide yourself. Hide yourself. If you're a matey, hide yourself. I would want to fuck myself as a mate. Really? Sit down and settle yourself for me now. The truth is that most matey are not matey by choice. It just get thrust upon them. But if you're in that situation there, it may not be your fault, you understand? But don't boast about it because I know something for me proud of. And worse, if you look like crackhead Wonder Woman, have manners. Hey guys, my name is Tony, in case you didn't know. I'm new to this channel, yeah. I'm a vlogger slash comedian slash singer slash dancer slash a lot of things. But what I'll be doing on this channel is vlogging and comedy skits, little comedy skits. I have my own channel, yeah, but I'll be doing stuff on my channel and this channel. So this is my first video, so it's my official welcoming ceremony thingy to this channel. Yeah, I hope you like my stuff. Be sure to click like down below. I'll put my channel link down below. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more stuff. But I'll be uploading stuff right here. So yeah, nice meeting you guys. Later.